In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use metaballs and a vortex force field to create this animation. Basically, the metaballs first fly away, and then they all return to group up. The primary mesh is a cube with a particle emitter. The emitter is using a metaball as its render object. Here are my particle settings. I'll zoom in shortly. Please remember to turn off the gravity under the Scene Settings panel. In order to create this animation, we need to animate the force field settings. There it is. Please adjust and animate the inflow values. Please experiment with the settings, as I have encountered a lot of very interesting effects while making a prototype animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.